Tesla's Fremont factory is an automobile manufacturing plant in Fremont, California, operated by Tesla, Inc. The facility opened as the General Motors Fremont Assembly in 1962 and was later operated by NUMMI, a former GM-Toyota joint venture. Tesla took ownership in 2010. The plant currently manufactures the Model S, Model 3, Model X, and Model Y, employing 10,000 people as of June 2018. Tesla had planned for an assembly factory in Albuquerque, New Mexico, as a central location for shipping. Construction was supposed to begin in April 2007, but was cancelled. A separate greenfield factory to be built in San Jose, California was also announced. However, the cost was prohibitive, and the company looked for alternatives. Tesla initially also dismissed NUMMI for being too big and costly. Some of the current facilities were operated as the GM Fremont Assembly from 1962 to 1982. And between 1984 and 2009 was used by New United Motor Manufacturing, Inc., a joint venture between General Motors and Toyota. NUMMI yearly production peaked at 428,633 vehicles in 2006. Proposals to continue the site after 2010 included Orica EVs, state incentives to Toyota, and a stadium, but none of them succeeded. In 2010, the mayor of Fremont viewed the site as dead. The plant is located in the South Fremont district next to the mud slough between the Warm Springs BART station and the California State Route 262 connecting Interstate 880 and Interstate 680. Union Pacific Railroad has tracks at the plant which carry finished cars. Rail freight transport is also used to receive batteries and Model 3 drivetrains from Tesla's Gigafactory 1. On May 20, 2010, Tesla Inc. and Toyota announced a partnership to work on electric vehicle development and collaborate on the development of electric vehicles, parts, and production system and engineering support. This included Tesla's partial purchase of the former NUMMI site, mainly consisting of the factory building. For $42 million, Tesla officially took possession of the site on October 19, 2010, and opened it on October 27. The state of California has supported the renewal, expecting tax income from sustained jobs. The first retail delivery of the Tesla Model S took place during a special event at the Tesla factory on June 22, 2012. NUMMI auctioned off the press lines, robots and other equipment to Toyota's other U.S. factories, and Tesla purchased over $17 million of manufacturing equipment and spare parts in 2011, at significant discounts compared to new equipment. Additionally, Tesla bought a Schuler SMG hydraulic stamping press, worth $50 million, for $6 million, including shipping costs from Detroit. The factory was about 10 times the size Tesla initially needed, and much of the 370-acre site was unused in 2013. With most activity concentrated in the 5,500,000 square foot main building that does the final assembly of vehicles. Various parts of the NUMMI plant were planned to be modified to support Tesla vehicle production. For example, the passenger vehicle paint equipment was to be extensively modified through late 2011. Converted from solvents to BASF water-based paint. 2 paint lines were constructed from 2015. By 2014, half of the factory area was in use. The floors, walls and ceiling are painted white with skylights and high-efficiency lighting to create an environment similar to a laboratory. And the production environment is cleaner and quieter than at NUMMI. In July 2013, Tesla acquired an adjacent 35-acre property from Union Pacific Railroad for a test track. Tesla built a casting foundry in Lathrop in 2015 supporting the Fremont production, and leased 1.3 million square feet of warehouses in nearby Livermore in 2017. In 2016, there were 4,500 parking spaces, and Tesla purchased a neighboring 25-acre site from housing developer Lennar. Tesla announced in August 2017 it won approval from the Fremont City Council to double the size of the facility with about 4.6 million new square feet of space. Tesla also planned to expand production capacity five-fold to 500,000 vehicles per year by 2018, or 10,000 units per week. Tesla started production with 1,000 workers. By 2013, this had risen to 3,000. and to 6,000 people in June 2016. In 2016, preparing for Model 3 production, Tesla planned to increase their workforce to about 9,000 people. In fall of 2017, Tesla employed some 10,000 at the Fremont plant, a number still being shared in June 2018. In addition to Tesla employees, the company uses contractors for various functions. In May 2018, Elon Musk, in an apparent goal of reducing dead weight and raising efficiency and quality within its operation, decided to cut contractors and subcontractors, ordering staff to justify and personally vouch for contractors worth keeping. The plant's first series production vehicle is the Tesla Model S full-sized battery electric sedan. In 2011, Tesla transitioned from 20 hand-assembled alpha builds to 50 beta builds. Production validation vehicles built